How to cast with Google Pixel Tablet. Google Pixel Tablet comes with Chromecast built in, so you can cast videos and music from your phone to your tablet. You can also cast from your tablet to your TV and other devices. To cast from your phone to your tablet, make sure your tablet is on the charging speaker dock and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Now open the media you'd like to cast. If your app supports casting, you'll see the Cast icon. Tap the Cast icon, then select your tablet from the Cast to pop-up menu. If your tablet is on the charging speaker dock and unlocked, tap Yes, Allow. To stop casting, tap the Cast icon, then disconnect. You will need a Chromecast or a TV with Chromecast built in, sold separately, to mirror your tablet screen and cast apps to your TV or other devices. To mirror your tablet screen on your TV, swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Tap Screencast, then select your TV from the list of devices. You'll know you're connected when the Connected to TV notification appears on the screen. The cast icon will change color. To stop casting, swipe down from the top of your tablet screen and tap Screencast, then disconnect. If you don't see Screencast in the Quick Settings menu, tap Edit. Then tap and hold the Screencast tile and drag it to the Quick Settings menu. Tap back to close the Edit menu, or swipe anywhere on the screen. To cast a movie or other apps from your tablet to your TV, open the app or other content you'd like to cast. Tap the Cast icon. Then select a device from the Cast to pop-up menu. To stop casting, tap the Cast icon, then disconnect. To learn more, visit the Pixel Tablet Help Center